Okay, so you may or may not have seen videos on action cameras like this GoPro. I'm going to tell you the reason why you should invest in one of these. Okay, so I'm not going to really go about doing an unboxing or even tell you about these GoPro cameras. And you can easily find reviews and unboxing videos about this stuff. What I'm here to tell you about is the reason why you should get one. So the reason why I got one is when you go on vacation and you take a tour or something like that, and you're using your regular camera or even your phone to record that event, what happened is the bus or whatever vehicle you're in is bouncing around, and then when you look at your video after the fact, it's all jerky and up and down. With these action cameras right here, especially the newest one from GoPro, this Hero 7 Black, it has those stabilizer feature built in. So it doesn't matter how bumpy the road is or how jerky it is, your video is going to come out as smooth as possible. So you can literally run with this thing and you don't have to worry about your video being bouncing up and down and it's hard to see. You can just run at a good little pace and your video is going to still come out silky smooth. You can go on ATV rides. You can go all kind of different rides, bumping up and down, and you don't have to worry about your video up in the air and doing all kind of weird stuff. It'll still look silky smooth like it would look if you're in a Hollywood movie. And you notice how those cameras are always steady no matter how bumpy the road is as far as those car chases and stuff. So that's what you're going to get out of these action cameras right here. The newest and latest ones have those stabilizer built in so you can keep your video looking smooth no matter what the condition is. Also, most of these action cameras are waterproof, so you can go swimming in it. They all have their own little depth, so you have to check the specs to make sure you don't go too deep with it and damage the camera. But at least you can do snorkeling or just low diving with these cameras right here, so you can see your underwater shots. It looks pretty when you do snorkeling and you're looking down in those goggles and just looking at the bottom of the ocean. You can see those fishes and how pretty it is. Well, if you have one of these cameras right here, you can do that recording also and have that memory always embedded with you. You have it in your mind, but now you can re-look at it on your computer screen or your TV, or even share it with your family and friends. So these cameras come in, like I say, handy. If your kids are in sport and events, this is definitely going to come in handy also, because you can run down the side of the field while they're running to get that touchdown and have a smooth video of it. Even though you're running with the camera and pointing it, you don't have to worry about the thing bouncing up and down. It'll be a smooth transition, and that will be a beautiful shot right there. It's almost like I say, you're using Hollywood type cameras to record that event and be amazed how it come out so smooth. Or you can record your kids just running around playing, and you can have the camera following them around, and it'll be a smooth transition when you record it, and then when you play it back, it'll be silky smooth. So those are some of the reasons why you would need an action camera. I'm pretty sure you can think of some other ways of using these cameras where you need to be in motion, but you want the videos to come out silky smooth. Now this one is made by GoPro. It's the Hero 7 Black. It has 4K recording. It has 33 feet of depth. That's when you go diving. It's got a 12 megapixel camera. It has voice control, so I can say start recording and stuff like that. There's a whole bunch of different commands you can use. This got GPS, so you can record that location if you need your location recorded. It has HDR recording, so your picture will be nice and pretty. It's got a touch screen, and it does live streaming. So you can use this to stream stuff. So if you're at your desk, you can use it to stream yourself while you're playing your latest video game, or you're doing something on your desk where you need to record yourself. And you can stream that out to your YouTube or your Twitch or whatever streaming service that you use. It's got a rechargeable battery, which is removable, so you can buy additional batteries to take with you, because it lasts 2, maybe 3 hours. And if you're out all day, then it's not going to last long. So therefore, I would recommend that you get some extra rechargeable batteries to take along with you so you can swap them out. It's got different mounts. Now this came in the box. This right here is an additional stuff that I bought while I was getting the GoPro. So if I remove this right here, this handle actually floats. So I don't have to worry about it when I drop it in the water that my GoPro is going to sink to the bottom of the ocean, or the river or the pool or whatever I'm in. Plus it's got this nice little grip that you can hold on tight to it, and it's got the drawstring where you can run your hand through it, so you know, if you feel like resting it, you can just rest it down like that and you don't have to worry about it falling out your hand. Now there's different kind of attachment that comes for the GoPro. So you have suction cups, you got stuff where you can attach to your helmet, your bicycle, your car, whatever you're trying to do, there's probably a mount for it. So if you're going on vacation, I would recommend that you invest in one of these action cameras. There's different brands out there, so you can choose from which whatever you like. There's plenty of videos and reviews on that stuff. I choose the GoPro because I wanted to go this route. But either way, I would recommend that you get one of these things if you plan on going on vacation. Your regular camera might be good, but it's not waterproof. And I know there's waterproof cameras out there. And your phone might be waterproof too and take good pictures and do good videos. But you're not going to get that smooth video unless you have one of these action cameras. And also the camera does take pictures, so it's not video only. You can actually take pictures with this camera. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to convince you to consider getting one of these action camera. If you're going on vacation or going on a trip or something and you like to do action stuff, you like to be adventurous, you like to do things, and you would like to record that event, well, you definitely want to invest in one of these cameras because you're going to have that smooth video that you can share with your family and your friends, and you don't have to worry about that video being jerky or jumping up and down like you would get from just a regular camera or even your smartphone. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos. If you like those also, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you'll be notified for the new and upcoming videos. Thanks for taking the time for watching this. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.